Welcome to our TradingView indicator review, featuring 5 tools that could enhance your trading strategy. Each indicator is evaluated on originality, usefulness, visualization, customization, and logic, then ranked from lowest to highest score. Let's dive in. HEMA Trend Levels. Created by AlgoAlpha, this indicator employs Hull exponential moving average methodology to identify trend changes and establish dynamic support and resistance levels. The HEMA calculation combines exponential moving averages of different periods with square root smoothing, creating a more responsive trend-following system than traditional moving averages. The indicator uses 2 HEMA calculations with different periods, 20 and 40 by default, to generate trend signals through crossover events. When the faster HEMA crosses above the slower one, it creates bullish boxes below price action, while bearish cross-unders generate resistance boxes above price. These boxes represent key levels where price reactions are expected based on the trend momentum shift. The visualization features gradient fills between the 2 HEMA lines, with color intensity changing based on trend direction. Bar coloring provides additional context. Bullish when price is above both HEMAs, with the fast line leading, bearish in the opposite scenario, and gray during conflicting conditions. Triangle markers appear when price tests the box levels, indicating potential support or resistance interactions. Traders can use this system for trend-following strategies, entering positions when HEMA crossovers occur, and managing trades based on box-level tests. The dynamic nature of these levels makes them suitable for swing trading approaches, where trend continuation or reversal patterns develop. The indicator offers customization through adjustable HEMA periods and color schemes, though the core logic remains fixed. The ATR-based box sizing automatically adapts to market volatility, ensuring levels remain proportionally relevant across different market conditions and timeframes. Pros: responsive trend detection, dynamic level adaptation, visual clarity integration. Cons: parameter dependency, false signal generation, limited customization scope. Ranking: 7 out of 10. While the HEMA approach offers improved responsiveness over standard moving averages, the indicator essentially repackages familiar crossover concepts with modest enhancements. The box-based level system adds practical value, but the overall methodology lacks significant innovation beyond cosmetic improvements to established techniques. Trend signals with TP and SL. Created by UAlgo, this indicator combines momentum analysis with ATR-based trend detection to generate buy and sell signals, accompanied by automated take-profit and stop-loss levels. The system integrates Hull moving average calculations, Shonda momentum oscillator values, and RSI readings with pivot point analysis to identify trend continuation opportunities. In upcoming videos, we'll cover complete strategies featuring this indicator and others from today's review, so you know what to do. The core mechanism uses 2 Hull moving averages of different periods to calculate momentum changes, feeding these into a custom Shonda momentum oscillator. The indicator requires RSI below 25 with CMO above 50 at low pivots for buy signals, while sell signals need RSI above 75 with CMO below -50 at high pivots. An ATR-based super trend component provides additional trend confirmation. Upon signal generation, the indicator automatically calculates 3 take-profit levels at 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and 3-to-1 risk-reward ratios based on the stop-loss percentage. The visual display includes buy-sell shapes on the chart, horizontal lines showing entry and exit levels, and labels with precise price values. Trading applications include swing trading setups, where the multiple take-profit levels allow for partial position management. Day traders can use the signals for momentum entries, while relying on the automated risk management levels. The indicator works across various timeframes, though higher timeframes typically provide more reliable signals due to the pivot point requirements. The cloud visualization helps traders assess overall market sentiment before taking positions, while the trend change alerts provide early warnings of potential reversals. Strategy considerations include using the signals as entry triggers while confirming with additional technical analysis. The fixed risk-reward ratios may not suit all market conditions, requiring manual adjustment of stop-loss percentages. Traders often combine this indicator with volume analysis or support resistance levels for enhanced accuracy. Pros: automated risk management integration, multi-time frame signal compatibility, complete trade setup provision. Cons: signal frequency limitations, fixed ratio inflexibility, pivot dependency requirements. Ranking: 7.5 out of 10. The indicator provides practical trade management through automated take-profit and stop-loss calculations and clear visual signals. However, the reliance on specific RSI-CMO thresholds with pivot confirmations creates restrictive entry conditions that may miss opportunities in trending markets, while the fixed risk-reward structure lacks adaptability to varying market volatility. Future Trend Channel. Created by ChartPrime, this indicator constructs dynamic trend channels that project future price movements based on current trend momentum. It identifies trend changes using a simple moving average, combined with ATR-based upper and lower boundaries, then creates visual channels that extend forward to forecast potential price trajectories. The indicator operates by detecting trend shifts when price crosses above or below ATR-adjusted boundaries around a moving average. Once a trend is established, it draws three parallel lines representing the middle trend line and upper-lower channel boundaries. These channels use smoothed values over 20 periods to reduce noise while maintaining trend direction accuracy. The visualization employs distinct color coding, where uptrends display in green and downtrends in orange, with solid lines indicating confirmed trend direction and dashed lines showing counter-trend movements. Diamond markers appear at trend reversal points, providing clear entry and exit signals. The channels extend rightward, with projected future price levels calculated using linear extrapolation. Traders can use this indicator for trend-following strategies, identifying optimal entry points when price touches channel boundaries during established trends. The future price projection feature helps set realistic profit targets and assess risk-reward ratios before entering positions. Channel breakouts often signal trend continuation or reversal opportunities. The indicator offers practical customization through trend length adjustment, channel width multiplication factors, future projection distance settings, and color scheme modifications. The ATR-based channel width automatically adapts to market volatility, ensuring channels remain relevant across different market conditions. Pros: future price projection, trend continuation, clarity, volatility adaptation. Cons: lagging trend detection, linear projection limitation, whipsaw vulnerability. Ranking: 7.9 out of 10. While the future price projection concept adds forward-looking value, the indicator relies on basic trend detection methods that can generate false signals in choppy markets. The linear extrapolation approach, though visually appealing, oversimplifies complex market dynamics and may mislead traders expecting precise future price predictions. Scalper's Volatility Filter. Created by QuantraSystems, this indicator combines three distinct volatility measurements into a unified signal system designed for short-term trading environments. The indicator merges a modified Damiani voltmeter, average directional index calculations, and linear regression dispersion analysis to create a composite volatility assessment tool. The modified Damiani voltmeter compares different ATR periods with standard deviation ratios to measure market tension. The ADX component evaluates directional movement strength relative to a baseline threshold. Linear regression dispersion calculates price deviation from trend lines, measuring how far actual prices stray from expected linear progression. These three components undergo normalization processing before being averaged into a single volatility signal. The indicator offers multiple visualization modes, including crosses, histograms, Heikin-Ashi candles, and HA width displays. The Heikin-Ashi implementation transforms the volatility data into candlestick format, while the HA width mode focuses on candle body size as a volatility proxy compared to historical averages. Color coding differentiates between rising and falling volatility conditions across 5 palette options. Scalpers can use positive readings to identify high volatility periods suitable for quick momentum trades, while negative readings suggest low volatility consolidation phases better suited for range-bound strategies. The compressed signal mode simplifies the display to a single line for clean chart analysis. Strategy applications include using volatility spikes as entry signals for breakout trades, avoiding trades during low volatility periods to prevent whipsaw losses, and combining with other indicators for confluence-based setups. The multiple time frame capability allows traders to align volatility conditions across different chart intervals. Pros: multi-metric integration, visual diversity options, real-time volatility detection. Cons: complexity overhead demands, lag inherent characteristics, parameter sensitivity requirements. Ranking: 8.2 out of 10. The indicator successfully synthesizes multiple volatility concepts into a cohesive tool with strong customization flexibility. While the mathematical complexity may overwhelm novice traders, experienced scalpers will appreciate the comprehensive approach to volatility analysis and the variety of display options for different trading styles. Oscillator Volume Profile. Created by Trendoscope, this indicator combines traditional oscillators with volume profile analysis to reveal where trading activity concentrates at specific oscillator values. Rather than examining price-based volume distribution, it maps volume intensity across oscillator readings, creating a unique perspective on market sentiment and momentum clustering. The indicator supports 9 different oscillators including RSI, CMO, COG, MFI, ROC, CCI, stochastic, TSI, and Williams %R, allowing traders to analyze volume distribution patterns across various momentum measurements. It calculates volume-weighted data points at each oscillator level, then constructs a horizontal profile showing where the most significant trading activity occurs within the oscillator's range. The visualization extends rightward from the current price action, displaying volume concentrations as horizontal bars of varying lengths. Longer bars indicate higher volume activity at those oscillator levels, revealing where market participants are most active during specific momentum conditions. This creates a heat map effect, showing oscillator levels with the strongest conviction. Traders can identify oscillator levels where volume clustering suggests strong support or resistance for momentum itself. When an oscillator approaches these high-volume zones, it may indicate areas where momentum could stall, reverse, or accelerate based on historical volume patterns. The trend filter option allows focusing on uptrend or downtrend periods exclusively. The indicator offers extensive customization, including oscillator type selection, length parameters for different oscillator calculations, range calculation methods, volume profile length limits, drawing size adjustments, and trend filtering options. Users can fine-tune precision levels and sticky border settings for more refined analysis. Pros: momentum volume integration, multi-oscillator versatility, sentiment concentration mapping. Cons: interpretation complexity, historical bias dependency, computational resource intensity. Ranking: 8.6 out of 10. The concept of applying volume profile methodology to oscillator readings represents genuine innovation in technical analysis. While it requires sophisticated interpretation skills, it provides valuable insights into where momentum-based trading decisions concentrate, offering a dimensional view that traditional oscillators cannot match. In our previous video, we reviewed and ranked 5 advanced TradingView indicators. Strategies for those are coming soon, so be sure to check it out.